Ever wondered why people who sleep less seem to gain more weight? Let's unravel this mystery today. In a world where we're constantly chasing deadlines and trying to squeeze in that extra bit of work, sleep often ends up taking a back seat. But did you know that sleep, or the lack thereof, can significantly affect your weight? That's right, sleep and weight loss are intricately linked, and it's all got to do with the balance of hormones in your body. When we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode. The cells regenerate, the brain organizes information, and crucially, our hormones get balanced. Two key hormones that are regulated during sleep are ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, often dubbed the hunger hormone, signals the brain that it's time to eat. Leptin, on the other hand, tells your brain when you're full. Now imagine what happens when you don't get enough sleep. Your body makes more ghrelin and less leptin, leaving you feeling constantly hungry and rarely satisfied. The result? You're more likely to overeat and gain weight. But that's not all. Lack of sleep also triggers an increase in the stress hormone cortisol. High levels of cortisol can stimulate your appetite, making you crave sugary, high-fat foods, and we all know where that leads. Moreover, when you're sleep-deprived, your body's ability to process insulin, the hormone that changes sugar and starches into energy, drops. This can lead to fat being stored in the body rather than being used as energy. So you see, sleep isn't just about recharging your batteries, it's a complex process that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy weight. By ensuring you get a good night's sleep, you're not just waking up refreshed and ready to take on the day, you're also setting the stage for effective weight management. The bottom line, a good night's sleep is just as important as regular exercise and a healthy diet when it comes to losing weight. Sleep is not just about rest, it plays a vital role in weight management too. To understand how sleep affects weight, let's dive into a bit of science. Our bodies are like intricate machinery, guided by hormones, which are chemical messengers that control numerous processes, including hunger and satiety. Two key players in this game are ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, often dubbed the hunger hormone, signals your brain when it's time to eat. On the flip side, leptin, also known as the satiety hormone, tells your brain when you've had enough and it's time to stop eating. Now here's where sleep comes into play. When we skimp on sleep, our bodies go a bit haywire. Research has shown that sleep deprivation can lead to increased levels of ghrelin and decreased levels of leptin. In simpler terms, lack of sleep may make you feel hungrier and less satisfied after eating. It's like your brain is being tricked into thinking it needs more food than it actually does, and this can lead to overeating. Moreover, the imbalance of these hormones doesn't just affect your hunger levels. It also impacts how your body stores fat. When leptin levels are low, your body tends to store more fat, especially in the abdominal area. This can lead to weight gain, and over time, may contribute to obesity. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that by catching enough Z's, you can help keep these hormones in balance. When you get a good night's sleep, your body has time to reset and rebalance these hormones, reducing hunger and cravings during the day. Therefore, a good night's sleep is crucial for keeping these hormones in check and controlling your weight. So the next time you're tempted to burn the midnight oil, remember that your sleep is not just a time for rest and recovery, but also a vital player in your weight management journey. Apart from the hormonal imbalance, sleep deprivation can also lead to poor eating habits. Now, I'm sure we've all had those days when we're running on little sleep, and suddenly, donuts seem like a perfectly acceptable breakfast option. But have you ever wondered why? Well, it turns out that the lack of sleep can actually increase our cravings for high-calorie, high-carb foods. When we're tired, our bodies are looking for a quick energy fix, and that often comes in the form of sugary or fatty foods. It's like our body's emergency response system kicks in, telling us to stock up on fuel. And let's face it, when we're sleep-deprived, a salad just doesn't have the same appeal as a slice of pizza. But it's not just our bodies that are affected by sleep deprivation. It also messes with our minds, specifically our decision-making abilities. You see, when we're well-rested, the part of our brain responsible for decision-making, the prefrontal cortex, is firing on all cylinders. It helps us make rational choices, like opting for a balanced meal over a bag of chips. However, when we're sleep-deprived, the prefrontal cortex isn't as active. Instead, the more primal part of our brain, the amygdala, takes over. This part of the brain is all about immediate gratification. It doesn't care about the long-term effects of that cheeseburger, it just wants it now. And that's where the trouble starts. Because while that cheeseburger might satisfy our immediate cravings, in the long run, it's contributing to weight gain and other health problems. But don't despair. There's a silver lining to all of this. By getting a good night's sleep, we can help reset our bodies and our brains. We can curb those cravings for unhealthy foods and make better food choices. So remember, a well-rested brain is better equipped to resist unhealthy food temptations. And that, my friends, is another reason why sleep is so important for weight loss. Now that we know the importance of sleep for weight loss, how can we improve our sleep habits? Let's start with maintaining a regular sleep schedule. It's not just about getting 8 hours of sleep. It's about getting those hours consistently. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock. You'll find falling asleep and waking up becomes more natural, and you'll feel more rested. Next, let's talk about creating a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. That means it should be dark, quiet, and cool. Consider investing in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to block out unwanted noise and light. It's also crucial to ensure your mattress and pillows are comfortable. A clutter-free room can also help to create a peaceful atmosphere conducive to sleep. Now, on to our diet. Avoiding caffeine and heavy meals in the evening can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. Caffeine is a stimulant that can keep you awake, and eating a large meal close to bedtime can cause discomfort and indigestion, making it harder to fall asleep. Try to finish eating a few hours before bed and limit drinks to avoid middle-of-the-night trips to the bathroom. Lastly, let's address electronic devices. The light emitted by phones, tablets, computers, and TVs can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. So make it a habit to turn off electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime. Instead, engage in a relaxing activity like reading a book or taking a warm bath. Incorporating these simple changes into your routine can significantly improve your sleep quality, which in turn can help you lose weight. It might be challenging at first, but remember, consistency is key. Remember, improving your sleep habits is an important step towards achieving your weight loss goals. So let's make sleep a priority, and let's make it a good one. To sum up, sleep plays a pivotal role in weight management. The takeaway from our conversation is that sleep and weight loss are intricately connected, a fact that's often overlooked in our quest for a healthy lifestyle. Diving into the science, we've learned that sleep maintains the balance of hormones that regulate hunger and satiety. When this balance is disrupted due to sleep deprivation, it can lead to unhealthy eating habits. You're more likely to reach for calorie-dense, high-sugar foods when you're running on little sleep, sabotaging your weight loss efforts. But the good news is, improving your sleep can lead to better food choices and aid in weight management. Simple changes like maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and managing stress can significantly improve the quality of your sleep. So remember, your journey to a healthier you is not just about diet and exercise, it's about sleep too. Sleep well, eat right, and keep your weight in check. Good night and sweet dreams.